What if Naruto was a sound ninja? So how this would happen is that Orochimaru would kidnap Naruto after yeah. So Orochimaru would basically kidnap Naruto after he is born, and he would be raised by Orochimaru and Kabuto, and he would have all kinds of experiments be on him. I'ma say that Orochimaru would I'ma say that Orochimaru would stab baby Naruto in the stomach, and then after that he would inject him with Hashirama cells. Not only with Hashirama cells, but many other cells as well. I'm gonna say Orochimaru would have kidnapped more people in this version. And yeah, he would have kidnapped Shugo. Yeah. So Orochimaru would have kidnapped Jugo, Karin, and Sugetsu, and he would take their blood and inject it into Naruto, as well as Akimimaru, and inject his blood in Naruto as well. And yeah. Also, he would replace Naruto's eyes with the Sharingan. Cause why not? Then after that, Orochimaru would put him inside of a test tube. Yeah, we would put him inside of a test tube for about until Naruto was 12. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, Orochimaru would have gotten Naruto out of the test tube, and he would have got him out of the test tube, and he would say, "Hello, child. You are a ninja for me now." And then Naruto would say, "Okay." So, so Orochimaru would basically have the sound for and Kimimaro would train him. Yeah, they would basically train him, and he would have fast progress because they don't have the nine tails in him anymore. Also, Naruto's hair turn white. So yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. So Naruto's hair has turned white, and Naruto was pretty strong as he already mastered the five basic elemental chakra natures and got his Sharingan up to a 3 Tomoe. and it's fully matured and mastered. Yeah. mm mm. Yeah, it's fully matured and mastered. Naruto has also mastered his he Naruto has mastered his Uzumaki clan techniques and infinitum chains, as well as his ice release and and Suigetsu's clan techniques, as well as Jugo's Sage Mode Absorption. Naruto also learned basic healing from the from Kabuto and yeah. So one day Naruto is sleeping when he gets a visit from the Sage of Six Paths. Mm. Mm. Naruto gets a visit from the Sage of Six Paths, and Hakuromo gives him the Rinnegan. Yeah, he gives him Sasuke's Rinnegan that he had in canon. And Naruto can turn a Rinnegan on and off. So yeah. Mm, mm. So yeah. So yeah. And then after that, he gives him the sun and moon seals. And then he just leaves. Yeah, he just leaves. Anyway, if you like that part, like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to sign off.